I remember getting this bike Christmas, 11 years old. It brings back so much nostalgia. Like a time machine taking me back to 1993. Doing a little resto here on my Mach 1 GT old school BMX bike. As you can see, built in the USA here. It was built September of 1993. First two digits, 0993, and then the rest is the serial number. I remember getting this bike Christmas, 11 years old. Still has the original bicycle sticker on here, Village Bicycle Center, Yorba Linda, California. I wonder if that phone number still works. Has the original pedals on it, the metal spikies on there, and the Odyssey Pitbull brakes in the back. All original. What I'm currently doing right now, as you can see, is the old school GT BMX pads are faded. I'm taking a little Sharpie and bringing the black back again. As you can see, it looks pretty good. Did that for tonight, and I'm gonna save this for tomorrow. But there it is, all finished up. I got the BMX bike pads all cleaned up. Got them a nice black color. Makes that GT symbol really pop on there. I didn't go into detail in the BMX here. You can see where it's still kind of sun faded in there. I didn't want it to run. As you can see, it kind of ran a little bit along these lines here, but from a distance, she looks beautiful. All nice and shiny and restored again. 1993 GT Mach 1 BMX bike built in the USA.